Good morning, everyone. Andy here, coming in for a sniper scalping recap series. We had a request to go ahead and take a look at the NQ. I actually am short on time today, so this recap session video will be a little bit shorter, but we are going to honor that request from one of our guests and go ahead and do a highlight of the NASDAQ, the NQ. And it just so happens that it had a tremendous day today. We're going to look at all the price action since the stock market futures opened at 9:30 and take a look at the Sniper Pulse Extreme Black Line Cross auto-generated signal calling indicator and see how it did calling trades. I was, again, not very active in my live trading today. We actually had pretty doggone high quality price action later in the morning. Things really got moving, and that makes me very excited for tomorrow. I took 3 trades live today. All 3 were winners. Yesterday I took 2 trades. They were winners. So we're doing great, very profitable on the week, just not quite as many trades as I normally execute. I usually average between 6 and 12, usually toward the higher end. And we'll get back to that. I was away from trading for all of last week, being out at the Las Vegas seminar, ATW seminar. So I'm still kind of getting myself in the groove, and that's the main reason why the number of trades I'm executing is a little bit reduced. But nonetheless, 2 wins yesterday, 2-0, 3 wins today, 3-0. Not going to complain too much. So let's dive in and look at this chart. So remember, here's what causes the signal to fire. This arrow, this red short arrow, this blue buy arrow, what causes that to be generated is the following. Look down at this indicator down below. We got 10 colored lines, and then we got a white gap, and then we got 10 gray lines. What causes this indicator to fire is when the black line crosses over. So I would call it the black line cross from the colored area, crosses over the white gap to the gray area. And it has to get down to at least the second gray line or lower. And when it's crossing higher, it has to get to the second colored line or higher. For a short to appear, it has to happen on a down close bar. For a long to appear, it has to happen on an up close bar. That's really all there is to it. So the price action starts to move lower. The black line crosses over the white gap, gets to the -2 or lower, boom, the signal fires. Where is our entry? Our standard entry is the open of the next bar after the signal fires. So this signal fires on this bar, the opening price of that next bar is where most sniper owners are entering the trade. Okay, now we're easily able to anticipate this. This arrow starts popping up before the bar even closes, so that gives you a heads up. You can be watching the black line and seeing the fact that it's going to cross and this is going to qualify. So once you're a sniper owner and you've looked at a bunch of these for a few days, it's very easy to anticipate and very easy to get your buy or sell stop orders in the market working so that when the signal fires, you're filled. Okay, market trades down, huge winner. We watch this black line, it crosses over, boom, crosses over the white gap to the +2 or more. We got an up close and we're long. Not a big winner here, only about 6 to 8 ticks of profit available, but a win is a win. Black line crosses back to the gray area pretty quick over the white gap, down to -2 or more, and a down close. We take a little bit of heat on this one, but not too bad, and then we follow through for a nice winner, winner number 3. The 4th trade of the morning, the black line moves upward, crosses over the white gap, gets into the colored area, boom, signal fires. And again, not a huge winner here. Let's see, about 8 ticks worth of profit available there for the 4th winner of the day. And then we get a big, nice winner here. Black line crosses from colored to gray. It's got to get to the second gray line or lower. That happens, signal fires, boom. Good 20 tick or more winner there. That's winner number 5. And then look at winner number 6, an absolutely huge winner. We get our black line crossing over, gets to the +2 line, up close, boom, we're long. Little bit of heat, not too bad. Huge winner, winner number 6. All of these trades, guys, occurred live while every participant in our live trade room is able to watch them happen. This is one of the 6 markets that we highlight and watch during the morning. Black line crosses over, and this is a trade where you had about 6 ticks worth of profit, okay, and then you got a pullback. So some traders would take profit off the table originally. Other traders would hold and average into this trade using the robust stop management. We would not have been stopped out on this pullback. We would have taken some heat, yes, but would not have been stopped out, and then could have gotten an even bigger profit target as this grinded lower. Okay, so different traders would trade that differently, but winner number 7 nonetheless. Winner number 8 was an explosive winner. This happened just a few minutes ago and got a very strong push to the upside here. Black line crosses over the white gap to the second colored line or higher. Blue bar up close. Long at the open of the next bar. Boom. Gorgeous winner, and that's winner number 8, if I'm not mistaken. So live action in the sniper live trading room here. These charts were showing, these signals were firing all morning long. We had 8 sniper extreme black line cross signals fired from 9:30 to our current present time is 11:18. And all 8 of those trades in the NASDAQ were winners today. That's a nice thing. So there you have it. That's a wrap for this morning's recap session. Don't be shy, guys. If you have any questions at all, shoot me an email to ajc61@yahoo.com or andy@advancedtradingworkshop.com. I'd love to answer questions for you or communicate with you. If you want to come by and hang out with us and check out a free trial and watch these trades like that happened in the NASDAQ today happen live while you're watching. Watch me execute trades. The NASDAQ isn't one of the markets I tend to trade live. I tend to take live market trades in crude oil, in the DAX, and in gold. Today I executed, I think, two trades in, I think it was crude oil was 2 trades and 1 trade in the DAX. The biggest winner was in the DAX today. But we'd love to have you come by and see what we're doing. There was an article just recently written by a third-party gentleman. He's a PhD, doctor, dean, and he did a study over the last 2 years. I had no idea the study was taking place, where he analyzed 337 live trade rooms. And like I said, I had no idea the study was taking place. Just recently, he started to email and let me know that he did this study and that he was going to be writing an article. And the bottom line is the ATW was one of the 10 rooms, top 3%. He only recommended that there were 10 quality trade rooms out there out of 337. And the ATW Sniper Live Trade Room was among those 10. So we're pretty proud of that. We're pretty excited about that. He's written an article that describes how he weeded out all the other rooms and boiled it down to these being the 10. I don't know Dr. Dean from, I've never met him before, but until he contacted me and let me know that he did this study, I had no idea who he was. So pretty neat third-party credibility. And that is going to be, he just submitted his article for publishing, and I'm not sure if it's going to be the November edition. I think the magazine is called Futures Truth. I believe that's what he said it's going to be published in. So pretty neat. We're excited and proud of that. Anthony says, where can we get a look at the report? We're going to, once it is, I don't know if we can, I'm talking to Dr. Dean, I don't know if we can front run the report before it gets published, but once it's published, we're going to somehow work it into our website, and I'll also make an announcement as to how one could get the official copy or whatever from whatever magazine it is being published in. But Yeah, that's cool. So thanks for the question, and we're excited about that. That's a wrap for today, guys. Jerry's coming in about 8 minutes for the Wednesday strategic prep. Those of you that are here on your free trial, and of course, sniper owners are invited to stay, so don't go anywhere. And Jerry will be in about 8 minutes for the strategic prep. And I look forward to seeing y'all back here tomorrow morning. Let's have another great trading day tomorrow. Thanks, everyone.